Good morning, everyone. This is Black Forex coming at you again with another pre-market analysis video. Today we'll be looking at AUDUSD, the Aussie US dollar. But before we get started on breaking down this video, we have to state that these videos are for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. So, with that being said, I know why you're here. YouTube is trying to find good, proper financial content that can lead to improved finances in the pocket. So, let's see if we can provide that for you with this breakdown video. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So, now we're looking at the Aussie USD, and we're looking at it from the 4 hour just to give you guys a better sense of the overall market structure of what's going on. Because once you truly understand market flow, then you understand how to truly utilize the different time frames. Each time frame has a purpose. They're not as they're not as independent as you think, and they're not as dependent as you think. Let's just state that. Okay. So by looking at this on the 4 hour, right, we have a couple of things going on. Last week we was getting up there, then getting up there, then boom, 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 boom. Okay. Now, if you understand how market flow really works, you understand that trades are not going to go up forever. It goes down and goes up and goes down. Okay. So let's look at this. We've dropped at an area where prices previously dropped before and dropped very aggressively. And same thing here. We were in an area where prices previously dropped before and somewhat dropped aggressively. But now we're entering the area where price has bounced up before and bounced up before very aggressively. All right, that's a technical analysis of it. And then when we're kind of looking at this, we're going down, but we're not really going down though. It's kind of choppy, doesn't have any momentum. If I was to open this up on the 15-minute, like I said, it's very choppy. Doesn't look like it has no momentum to go anywhere. Just choppy, 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 choppy. So let's look at the fundamentals. AUD is one of the stronger currencies going into this week. It is not the strongest currency, but it's one of the strongest currencies going into this trading week. And like I've said it on previous videos, inflation is causing the US dollar to be very weak. So we have a strong currency trading against a weak currency. So with that, we would, in theory, be looking for a buy. But like I said, when you're trading Forex, you never want to be handcuffed to a position. Plan A, plan B, I buy if it behaves like this. I sell if it behaves like that. So what we'll be looking for is a move up, pathetic move down, and another push up. Once you got that push up, after the pathetic move attempt to go down or a little slight range, safe to say you can get it in for your long buy position. If we have an aggressive move down, another pathetic weak attempt to come up, and then we go down again, we can safely say we're in here for the short selling position. Okay. Now, the reason why I say you never want to get handcuffed to a position, because just because a currency is strong or weak does not mean that it's going to be strong or weak forever. We're in an unstable market. If you guys are anybody who's watching this video or is an experienced trader, you would notice that during mid trading session, you can be buying the whole session. Then to the next 4 hours of the trading session, then all of a sudden you'll go from like buying to aggressive sales. And it's like, okay, what happened? It's because we're in an unstable market. And when you're in an unstable market, there's a lot of area for currency strength to change on you mid market. Okay, this is one of the notorious signs of an unstable market is currency strengths changing on you mid market. Because in theory, currency strength is not supposed to change like that. Okay, it's supposed to go through like almost a process, like you're strong, not so strong, not strong, beginning to get weak, weak, not very weak. This is just going from straight strong to weak with no in between. So it doesn't really work like that. Okay. So I hope this information was helpful to you guys. Happy trading.